नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynae Obs, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today's session is Values of Antenatal Care. The value of antenatal supervision is so much tested and recognized that it is needless to stress its importance. It should be borne in mind that a successful obstetric outcome depends on continued careful supervision, which starts in pregnancy and in puerperal period. In advocacy of one cannot be compensated by the other. The chief values are uh, the chief values are to screen the high risk cases, medical disorders, and obstetric complication, and stored out at the earliest. The detection of high risk factors deserve not credit unless proper steps are taken to rectify it. The cases need to be admitted, investigated, and treated. Pregnancy should be regularly supervised. Casual antenatal visit and inadequate care is worse than no care at all. Efficacy of prenatal care depends on the quality of care given to the woman. Antenatal care is said to be the strategy. The antenatal care is the tactic in obstetrics. One is indispensable from the other to achieve a good result. Care should be thorough and based on individual woman's needs. Acceptance of advice during the pregnancy, advice regarding diet, drugs, family planning, guidance, and immunization schedule are better followed than in the non-pregnant state. It is an opportunity to make the patient realize that childbirth is a physiological process and to boost up the psychology so that the patient finds herself confident during the order of labor. The need effect is marked reduction in maternal mortality about 1/7 and morbidity. Similarly, there is significant reduction in perinatal mortality about 1/5 and morbidity. Drawbacks. First, tripling abnormality may be X-aggregated, for which unnecessary medication or risky operative interference is prescribed. Second is unless quality of care is maintained in the antenatal clinic, the benefits of antenatal care are not obtained. Third, good antenatal care only cannot reduce maternal and neonatal mortality and morbidity unless the woman gets good or good care during labor and postnatal period. Now limitations. Many complications in obstetrics often arise as emergency with and without any warning during pregnancy, labor, and puerperium. These are hemorrhage, APH and PPH, hypertension, eclampsia, premature rupture of membrane, unexplained intrauterine fetal death, cord prolapse or shoulder dystocia. These are the important cause of maternal morbidity and mortality in India. Simultaneous availability of emergency obstetric care should be there to combat these complications. Therefore, good antenatal care and efficient EMOC that is emergency obstetrical care, are complementary to each other the successful obstetric outcome. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.